Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off slow keys function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for this option and how to turn it off. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for our accessibility options. Next, in interaction and dexterity, at the bottom of this list we have our slow keys. As you can see right now we have our option turn on. It is now 0.3 seconds, and to turn this function off we simply need to untap this option right here. So what does this function do exactly? As you can see from this short explanation, type by touching and holding for a set time to avoid accidental key press. And now this option is turned off, we can safely go back to our home screen. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day. Goodbye.